In the ever-evolving landscape of personal finance, the pursuit of passive income has become a resounding anthem for financial independence. Imagine a world where your money works tirelessly for you, generating a steady stream of income while you go about your daily life. It's a vision that has captured the imagination of many, and it's within reach thanks to a diverse array of passive income-generating assets. In this comprehensive exploration, we will embark on a journey through 12 intriguing avenues of passive income. Each of these financial instruments offers a unique opportunity to build wealth, and when combined strategically, they can pave the way to financial freedom from the creative realms of online courses and intellectual property royalties to the stability of bonds and the allure of real estate crowdfunding. These assets beckon with promises of financial security and prosperity. So fasten your seatbelt as we delve deep into the world of passive income and uncover the tools and strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals in the pursuit to become a business champion. Number 1, create an online course or membership site. Creating an online course or membership site is a dynamic way to share your expertise and monetize your knowledge. When crafting an online course, you're essentially packaging your expertise into a digital product that can be sold repeatedly. This can range from teaching a new language, providing career coaching, or even offering fitness training. With platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your website, you can reach a global audience. Membership sites, on the other hand, provide exclusive content or services to subscribers, ensuring a recurring revenue stream as long as you offer value. Number 2, invest in bonds. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations to raise capital. When you invest in bonds, you essentially become a lender and the issuer becomes the borrower. In return, you receive regular interest payments, often semi-annually, until the bond matures. This predictable income stream makes bonds an attractive option for those seeking stability and regular income in their investment portfolio. Number 3, stocks. Investing in stocks means buying shares of ownership in a company. Stocks offer the potential for capital appreciation as the company's value increases over time. Additionally, some stocks pay dividends, which are regular payments to shareholders from the company's earnings. While stocks can be subject to market volatility, they provide an opportunity for long-term wealth creation. Number 4, real estate. Crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms have transformed the way individuals invest in real estate. They allow you to invest in various real estate projects, from residential properties to commercial spaces, without the need to buy and manage physical properties. Your investment contributes to the funding of these projects, and in return, you receive a portion of the rental income and potential profits, making real estate investing more accessible and hassle-free. Number 5, royalties from intellectual property. If you possess creative talents or innovative ideas, you can generate passive income through royalties from intellectual property. This includes earning money from copyrights, patents, trademarks, and more. For instance, musicians receive royalties every time their songs are streamed, authors earn royalties from book sales, and inventors collect royalties from licensing their patented inventions. Intellectual property can continue generating income long after the initial work is created. Number 6, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms serve as a bridge between individuals looking to borrow money and those willing to lend it. As a lender, you can diversify your investments by lending money to various borrowers with different risk profiles. You earn interest on the loans you provide, and borrowers repay the principal along with interest. These platforms offer a straightforward way to earn interest income, often with competitive rates compared to traditional savings accounts. Number 7, vending machines. Owning vending machines is a classic form of passive income generation. These machines, strategically placed in high-traffic areas, dispense snacks, beverages, or even personal care products to consumers. With proper stocking and maintenance, vending machines can provide a consistent stream of income. You can expand your vending machine portfolio over time to increase your passive earnings. Number 8, create a mobile app or game. In the digital age, developing a mobile app or game can be a lucrative venture. Once your app or game is available on app stores, it can continue to generate income through downloads, in-app purchases, and advertising revenue. Successful apps and games can garner a broad user base, ensuring a sustainable source of passive income. Number 9, high-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, albeit with relatively low rates in today's economic climate. However, they are a safe and accessible way to earn passive income on your savings. While the returns may not be substantial, high-yield savings accounts provide liquidity, making them suitable for emergency funds and short-term savings goals. Number 10, rent storage units. Owning and renting storage units provides individuals and businesses with secure spaces to store their belongings. Rental income accumulates as tenants occupy your units. The profitability of this asset depends on factors such as location, storage unit quality, and demand. Strategic placement near urban areas or college campuses can maximize your rental income. Number 11, certificate of deposit, CD. A certificate of deposit CD is a fixed-term savings account offered by banks and credit unions. When you open a CD, you agree to lock in your money for a specified period, which can range from a few months to several years. In return, you receive a fixed interest rate that is typically higher than regular savings accounts. Longer-term CDs generally offer higher interest rates. CDs are low-risk investments, making them a suitable choice for passive income seekers looking for guaranteed returns. Number 12, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services on your website, blog, or social media using unique affiliate links. When a user clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Successful affiliate marketing requires selecting products or services that align with your audience's interests and providing valuable content to attract potential buyers. Affiliate income can accumulate over time as your audience grows and trust in your recommendations deepens. Exploring these 12 passive income-generating assets opens up a world of financial opportunities. Whether you're sharing your knowledge through an online course, investing in bonds, or venturing into real estate crowdfunding, each asset offers its unique path to passive income. Diversifying your passive income sources is a key strategy for financial success. Each asset carries its own level of risk and reward, so it's crucial to conduct thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and consider your investment goals before making decisions. Remember, building wealth through passive income takes time and dedication. The earlier you start and the more diversified your income streams, the closer you'll be to achieving financial freedom and security. Your financial journey is unique, and these assets are tools to help you create the future you desire. So get started today and watch your wealth grow as you explore the world of passive income.